Hello and welcome to my channel MN Digital. I hope you are fine. In the last video I told you that I will teach you about how to get first order on Fiverr and how to get promoted on Fiverr and sell your services as Facebook ad breaks. But first of all, I want to tell you that a lot of people ask this question that I am not getting order on Fiverr. The first order is always complicated and first order is always difficult. So I want to show you tips that it will help you to get your first order. So stay tuned and watch this video till end. Here is my account on Fiverr. And I just want to tell you that if you want to get first order on Fiverr, choose niche which has low competition. Like there are a lot of skills you are watching, and our channel probably always indicates about digital marketing. So I will show you about digital marketing. There are a few new skills like public relations, podcast management, marketing, book and ebook marketing, and social media advertising. In which niche you are interested in, you have to choose that niche, because it's very important, because you can give your 100% on that niche if you will choose your niche with heart. So if I click on social media advertising, it's a new skill on Fiverr. You will see that there are some advertisements of some people, and if you search Facebook ad break, so look at that. Facebook ad break it has low competition, like 260 services available, and mine is in the 5th. So you will see that now in the last hour it is in 4th number, but now in is 6th number. So it's but it is in the first page. It's good for me, and I will show you that how it goes on the first page on Fiverr. So I am online, like the sign of green. I am online. I am 5 rating as well. I am giving services on Fiverr of Facebook ad breaks for $75. So you can avail this also. I just want to show you that 260 services available of Facebook ad breaks. You have to choose this niche to get promoted on Fiverr. If you choose this niche to get promoted on Fiverr, so it is a 100% chance to get order from it. Okay, so don't waste any time and check and create gig on Fiverr and get your first order. I hope this video will help you to grow your Fiverr business, and I just want to show some other niche, like you see that ebooks, like ebook writer. There are also not many services available throughout the world. 2000 to 500 services available. So it's also a niche where you can grow your business, where you can create your gig to get promoted on Fiverr. So there are some tips to which you have to adopt, but it's not difficult to get your first order. Best of luck for your first order, and I will see you soon in your next video and teach you how to promote gig on the first page. So till then, I hope you will like this video and share, and tell me in comments what are your questions. I will answer all of these. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for further videos. Like I will promote, I will teach you digital marketing tips, how to earn online and how to earn from Fiverr. Here's my profile. I will show you that I recently have 3 reviews in and having a bestseller award from Fiverr, and I have active gigs, and I am promoting services like social media marketing and YouTube and WordPress also. So you will engage with my services all the time, and I will teach you how to promote on Fiverr and how to earn money through online. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for further videos. I will back to you soon. Bye bye.